Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is basically part 2B. I found a way I can show it off a little bit better on the video. So we're going to load, import a text from a file, and it's a CVS file. We'll go up here, I put it on my thumb drive, and I called it PM long names 2. I added a long name, and then I'm going to hit, there's our text, go to next. It brought them all in. Go to finish, go to insert print merge field. You're going to want to hit P and then right away hit center justified. Then we're going to bring in an envelope and we're going to make this envelope. I'm going to start moving, then I'm going to hold down the control button. We want our names to be no longer than that name. We're actually going to make the name a little bit bigger. So it's justified. Perform print merge. Now I can change and I can show you how you can see it better. I'm going to make my bed size. So there's BJ Harris, basically a short name. There is current document. Oh, there's the next page. Doug Green, Bill Smith. There's William Arlt Smith III. It put it in that same place. Now, I do not know yet why it's putting in the quotation marks. If somebody knows what I'm doing wrong, please let me know, and I'm going to do a little research to it also. But that's auto-condensing. Anyway, well, there's the quotation marks right there. We'll figure it out. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.